If you want to get started in real estate, number one, books. Read the books. There's a lot of good content out there. There's a lot of good people that have put out a lot of great books in real estate. Then you got to figure out what area in real estate do you want to be. Wholesaling, flipping, development. To me, I love development because within development, you go wholesale and flip. But when you do wholesaling, you can't, it's harder for you to flip and develop. So that's why. Number two, and I always preach this, get a mentor. You need to have a good mentor. You need to have somebody that is where you want to go. They have the experience, because there's a lot of gurus nowadays that they claim to have experience and they only flip a couple of houses and now they're selling courses and all these things. Find somebody that you want to be like. Find somebody that shares your values. Find somebody that is going to help you get to the level where you want to get. For example, when I teach my students, at the end of the day, when I finish teaching them, I invest my own money with them. And there's very few people, very few coaches, and very few mentors that will do that. And the reason? Because they don't believe in what they teach. So you have to find somebody that truly believes on what they teach, and that is going to help you get to the level of success that you want.